Good morning, children. Today we will be doing poem number 4, Pollution, from your reader book. And this will be the last one that we'll be doing before your PT2 exams. Your PT2 exams are soon to come. Alright? Okay. So, as the title suggests, we will be reading about pollution. We all know how big a problem pollution is, and there is no solution to it. Also, we must do our best to stop this because this can harm us in many ways which we don't actually get to know. It is a slow poison. Let's see what the uh, poet here has to say. Poet's name is Sanchit Saluja. Okay. Earthlings, wake up and take charge. I speak not to one alone but to all the world at large. The scorching heat of the sun is rather difficult to bear. It's all because of pollution that dear ozone layer has a tear. Children, please take in consideration the rhyming words here. Bear, tear, sun, pollution, large, charge, alone, up. Up and alone doesn't match here, but all the other does. Okay, they rhyme it to each other. So the author is saying that earthlings, like we say duck के children को हम क्या कहते हैं duckling, right? Duck, L-I-N-G-S. तो वही वैसे ही he has made a new word saying earthlings. Earthlings here means people who live on earth. Alright, children. So he is telling that people of the earth wake up. Wake up means, you know, come out of your sleep now and take charge. Take charge means that you take things in your hand, take responsibility. I speak not to one alone. Yani ki he's saying, I'm not talking to one person here. He's talking to everyone, but to the world at large. He's talking to the whole world here. The scorching heat of the sun. Scorching means very high heat, burning heat, okay, of the sun is rather difficult to bear. Bear means to, tolerate. Bear means to tolerate. Sahin karna. Okay. It's all because of pollution. That dear ozone layer has a tear. Yani ki it is because of pollution that the ozone layer has a hole in it, has a tear. Poisonous gases are emitted and here you cut the trees. If we don't stop this, we shall not breathe with ease. Again, children, rhyming words here. Please have a look and consider it. Again, he's saying that poisonous gases are emitted. Emitted का मतलब होता है produce की जाती है, to get produced. Okay, produced from the factories, and they are let in the air. They don't have any filters or detoxifier in them. Okay, so toxic gases, poisonous gases are let out in the air, and then you cut trees. उसके ऊपर से the earthlings here, they cut trees, because of which the purification of air is is not done properly or at the speed that it should be done, because less trees means less purification of air. All right, if we don't stop this, we shall not breathe with ease. That means if we shall not stop emitting the poisonous gases and cutting the trees, we should not be able to breathe easily, as all the toxic gases that we are letting out in the air, they are remaining there because they are not getting purified by anyone, by the trees, especially by the trees. So one day it might so happen that all the air in this and inside the ozone layer which we breathe becomes toxic because of all the emission that we do from the factories, from the vehicles, from our homes, from burning anything which creates toxic gases. Okay, so we should all stop this now. So stop this destruction and start the repair. Let's make the earth green and not desolate and bare. डिसोलेट का चिल्ड्रन मतलब होता है बैरन, डिसोलेट। ओके, डिसोलेट, DESOLATE। डिसोलेट का मतलब होता है बैरन, यानी कि कटिंग ट्रीज मीन्स मेकिंग द अर्थ बैरन। बेयर का मतलब होता है विदाउट एनी ट्रीज, बेयर ऑल्सो मीन्स बैरन, दे बोथ मीन द सेम। ओके, so basically the author is urging all the people living on this earth planet that we should all take charge now. We should, we should stop cutting the trees. We should stop emitting the poisonous gases. We should stop making the earth desolate and bare. We should start taking the charge. We should start repair. Repair means planting more trees, making the earth more green, going vegetarian, going vegan, using all those products which are not included, including any chemicals in them. For example, children, we use acid in our homes. Acid is very bad. Just imagine something, which is killing the germs or just ripping off the dirt from our floors, go into the drainage holes and then it goes into the earth, and its properties remain the same. So it might just do the same to the earth as well. And someday we might drink the water which is purified through those layer of earths, and goes to that lake or pond or river, sea, wherever the water is coming from. So we will be consuming toxic water as well. So we should stop all those things and we should take the charge to repair the earth, and in a way to improve our lives in the coming years. Alright, children, so that is the moral of the poem here. It is a moralistic poem, it has a moral in it. Okay, let's do the exercise now. Children, we will be doing two exercises today here on page number 75, or rather one exercise, because we are not in class, otherwise you would have done this one also. But today we will be doing this one. Be creative. That's your homework. You have to see this picture very carefully, and you have to, you know, let's read this one. Okay. Look at the picture given below. It shows a scene near a river. Describe it in your own words. आपको इस picture को अपने own words में describe करना है. Okay. Notice some of the things that people should not have been doing. आपको यहाँ पे ऐसी चीज़ें दिख रही होंगी ऑलरेडी जो लोग कर रहे हैं, जो कि उन्हें नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. ओके, यू हैव टू नोटिस देम एंड एक्सप्लेन देम कि क्यों नहीं करनी चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, remember that you have to keep in mind the theme of the poem, which we have just read, that is pollution. So you have to basically write ways because of which water pollution can be stopped. All right, children, talk time. Divide into groups and enact short plays on harmful effects of different kinds of pollution and what we can do to curb them. Children, we are not in class, but this is a very good exercise. अगर हमारे schools खुलते हैं ये year ख़त्म होने से पहले, then we will definitely do this exercise in the class also. If any one of you is interested, you can do it on you can make a video and you can send it to me. And you can just tell about the things which you can do to curb the pollution. Curb means to stop or to lessen. Lessen means उसको कम करने के लिए. All right, children, so that's it for today. हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे आज, and soon we will start the revision also as PT2 is coming. So please buck up. Any doubts you are having, you can please ask me. I'm always available for all of you. So that's it, children. Thank you so much.